Good evening, everybody. I'm over at the Isle of Man ferry terminal today. It's around tea time and it's around 5:30. It's just the sun's starting to set and the wind is pretty non-existent, so I thought I'll come over and get some shots of the Isle of Man ferry terminal, the latest update. So as you know, I've been covering this for a while, and I do it every couple of weeks now because there's not a lot of external work left to do, but I will continue covering it until it's complete and until I can put myself on to a ferry to take from this terminal and get over to the Isle of Man on it and do a video there. So for now, we're going to get up in the air right now, take a few shots of the Isle of Man ferry terminal as at today's date. Let's get up and have a look. Okay everyone, so that was the Isle of Man ferry terminal. I was able to get a few closer shots. It's nice when the sun's going down and it's complete dead empty sight of a weekend. It's good because you can get a bit closer, but yeah, as I've said for a few months now, it's not loads of external work to be done. It's a lot of like on the roads and the paths and everything all out around it where you can tell the difference now. But yeah, looking great, isn't it? Not long till it's done, I think, not too long. So fingers crossed that over the next few months I might be on a boat. They've still got to move the bridge from down. It's further down the banks towards Bramley Moor Dock, and I'm waiting for that'll be over the next, I think it's planned at June, so I'll be having a look at that in June or whenever it moves. We'll probably get some good shots of that. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the Isle of Man ferry terminal as it looks today. So yeah, please like, share and subscribe. Any comments, anything you know about the site, anything you'd like me to look at, drop down below. Next time I'm here I'll do that. But other than that guys, yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Take care everyone, bye now.